I understand you're looking for an installation product described as a nail with a loop welded to it, and you're having trouble finding a supplier. Since I cannot view images or receive emails, I'll provide general strategies for identifying and sourcing such a component. Firstly, consider the intended application. What is this nail with a loop meant to secure or attach? Knowing the purpose will help narrow down the search and suggest alternative solutions if the exact item cannot be found. Secondly, determine the required material and dimensions. Is it steel, stainless steel, or another metal? What is the approximate length of the nail, the diameter of the loop, and the overall gauge of the material? These specifications are crucial for finding a suitable replacement. Thirdly, explore online hardware marketplaces and industrial supply websites. Many websites allow you to search using detailed descriptions, and some even have image search capabilities if you can find a similar item online to start. Consider using search terms like loop nail, nail with eyelet, fastener with loop, or wire loop nail. Fourthly, contact local hardware stores and construction supply companies. Even if they don't stock the exact item, they may be able to special order it or suggest alternative products that could work. Talk to experienced staff members who might be familiar with similar components. Fifthly, reach out to metal fabrication shops or machine shops. They can custom fabricate the nail with a loop if you provide them with the necessary specifications and drawings. This may be a more expensive option, but it ensures you get exactly what you need. Sixthly, consider alternative fastening methods. If you cannot find the nail with a loop, explore other ways to achieve the same result. For example, you could use a standard nail or screw in conjunction with a separate loop or ring. Seventhly, check with electrical supply houses, as similar loop fasteners are sometimes used for grounding or supporting electrical wiring. They may have items that are close to what you are seeking. Eighthly, search for specialized fastener suppliers. Some companies specialize in unusual or hard-to-find fasteners. They may have a wider selection than general hardware stores. Ninthly, consult with engineers or contractors who have experience in similar applications. They may be able to recommend alternative solutions or provide insights into where to find the specific item you are looking for. Tenthly, broaden your search to include related industries. For example, the nail with a loop might be used in the agricultural industry for fencing or in the marine industry for rigging. Exploring these areas could uncover potential suppliers. Remember to always prioritize safety and ensure that any alternative fastening method is suitable for the intended application and can withstand the required loads. Consider factors such as corrosion resistance, shear strength, and pull-out strength. Thoroughly test any alternative solutions before using them in a permanent installation. If the application involves electrical wiring, be sure to comply with all applicable electrical codes and safety regulations. If you can provide more details about the specific application and requirements, I may be able to offer more targeted suggestions. Good luck with your search.